He said if somebody divorces his wife 3 times, how can he remarry her or call her back, according to Islam?
According to Islam, this 3 times should be repeated in 3 months. And those 3 months, according to the understanding of the Khalifa al-Masih, will be repeated 3 times. So the whole course of divorce will be finalized in 9 months, before which the person can change his mind, and if he does it in the first 3 months, he does not have to remarry that woman. But if he does it within 9 months, but not in the first 3 months, then he has to remarry that woman. After 9 months, he cannot remarry that woman unless she is married someone else and is divorced.